real green grass in California. Thank goodness I'm away from the big city life. Just to point out, Angela and I had a fantastic day at Disneyland. It was my best Disney experience of my life. No crowds, no lines. The longest we waited for anything was like 25 minutes at the end of the day. We went on nearly every single ride at Disneyland in one day. Of course, Splash Mountain at this park closed again. Struck out to get favorite ride in all of Disney, being refurbished at Disneyland now. But we had a fantastic time, and traffic through Los Angeles today. I like to say that this is kind of worth it now that we're here at a really nice campground, Angela and I. So this is our chill out couple days here. We're at Oak Flats Campground in the National Forest of California, just south of Bakersfield. I think we're about an hour drive from Bakersfield still. But they have nice big spots with lots of trees. This is the closest we could camp together. She's across the street from me in her own slot there. And you won't fit anything bigger than a 24-foot here anywhere at any of these little campsites here. I'm not sticking out in the road, but I did come kind of close, I guess. Okay, maybe you can fit a 30-footer. I don't know. But it's nice to be nestled in the trees here. I mean, look at this, guys. It's real. It's real green grass. Oh my goodness. That just makes me smile. Oh, and as an added bonus, you guys remember I bought my America the Beautiful pass? Angela has one as well. I've always mentioned those are great for getting all the fees waived at all the national parks around the country. But I also mentioned at the time when I was going to Mount Rainier that it gives you free access to campgrounds. This being the first one I have utilized, which is included in that. So you either need some kind of California recreational pass, or if you have the America the Beautiful pass, you can stay here for free for 14 days. No running water, no dump station. They do have vault toilets and they have a dumpster. But that is about all I was really looking for both of us. We just wanted to kind of come down from the whole Disney craze and the whole big city of Los Angeles thing going on. So, it's a good spot. That air feels pretty good, that fresh air. Oh, you see the birds? There's birds, yeah. There's actually birds. So guys, real quick, the reason why this entire month of March I've been saying I'm delayed in getting my mission started is because I've been monitoring the weather of Truckee. You spite me? Are you serious? Just because you want to bite a bird doesn't mean you get to bite Dad. I've been monitoring the weather in Truckee, California, because that's where there's really high mountains, the Sierra Nevada Mountain Pass, they call it. And pretty much the last couple weeks, they've been saying nonstop snow. They've been closing the highway. I'm looking at the California Department of Transportation website every single day. The weird part about it is that's not really the starting point. So, but that is a part that both Angela and I both have to cross. So that's why I am closely monitoring it. It's tough to do it a couple days out, but it is still getting down into the teens, snowing in March, and they are literally still closing the highway for periods of time where you cannot cross no matter what you have. So all this effort I put into to have chains on all four of my rear tires could possibly be pointless, and Angela and I could be just stuck parked on the highway or on the side of the road for days and days. It's getting to the point now where I may have to actually make a change in the plan, because I'm not just going to sit here until June waiting for a clear path to go through. Or I may go through and film that part of it while Angela waits. I mean, there's a bunch of it that I'm not really excited about. Just wanted to let you guys know. That's the problem with making the plans. But I assure you, for the next 3 to 4 months, that is the only planned thing that is affecting what's going on right now. So bear with me. I've still got to get back to the coast to start the trip, and then I've got to go through the Truckee area into Nevada. So that's what we're waiting for. I know, I'm giving you a lot of trust, letting you walk around without a leash out here. Can you sit down? No, nobody's impressed with that. But we're really liking it out here at this little campground. This has been a really neat spot.
Get him, Jazzy.
Morning, everybody. Look at this view. This is way over there is actually I-5. You can kind of hear it in the distance. I can physically see the tiny little cars. You probably can't, though. Have decided that I really, really like this campground, Oak Flats Campground. I really like it. Did some research last night. Found out that there are 4 that are managed here in the Southern California area, which are all free, included 14 days with the America the Beautiful Pass. So I think it's worth it right there. We're the only RVs, though. About half this campground is full of unoccupied tents. Strange, but yeah, I think it's more of a tent camping area. Just mountains and valleys. By the way, we're up here at about 3,200 feet now. Lots of oak trees. And the reason why we have some of the best cell service Wi-Fi ever is a cell tower right there for me. Just for me. Actually, it's servicing the I-5 corridor there, but pretty convenient that it happens to be some of the strongest cell service and fastest Wi-Fi that I've seen in quite some time. So that's pretty cool. Keeping an eye on the weather. I see it clearing through the Sierra Nevadas here in a few days. So, I mean, we're only about 320 miles away, and I can just get that done in one travel day. Get this trip started. So, sweet. Also, thankfully, there's a little sign here that tells us what the mountains are that we were looking at. The San Gabriel Mountains here in California, off in the distance. No, you can't win them all, right? It does actually rain in Southern California, guys. They love it when it rains in Southern California. And it's snowing up in the mountains right now. Again, I just checked. It was bare and clear. Now they are screening every vehicle for chains on all tires. So it's just tough up there, but like I said, it's going to happen no matter what. I did cover the bike in time before the rain hit, so that's going to keep the bike nice and clean and rust free. It's great for rain and sun protection. Today is just going to be a video game, pizza, Bud Light, followed by probably Netflix and chill kind of day and night, because, you know, there's nothing you can do. Actually, I'm working on a project in the RV. I'll show you. That's what's left of the top bunk area. Oh, I got rain on the lens. Hang on. There we go. That's what's left of the top overhead bunk area, or storage area, as I call it. Cleaned out a lot. Probably got rid of about 90 pounds of junk. I really do like to take a look at a lot of the stuff I have in storage up top, plus in the container, like the garage outdoor part, once every 6 months. I pretty much need to go through it just to make sure absolutely that it is needed and there's a reason to travel around with all these little items all around the country. Storage is limited in an RV. I cannot hoard things. I need to continually evaluate if I'm getting enough use out of everything in this RV. And if I'm not, it's time to donate it or throw it away, get rid of it, free up some space and some weight in the RV. That's always a good thing. Jax, I think you've got this whole chill thing down to a science here. I'm trying to learn from you. because you seem to have everything figured out. You and Drezzy seem to just be completely okay with just doing nothing all day. And that's cool. That's good. I'm jealous, man. I'm really jealous. Yeah. You want to relax? Yeah, we'll just relax. All right, sounds good. So with that said, hopefully we will be traveling through Bakersfield tomorrow to get, or whenever the rain stops. Have a good day, guys. Bye-bye.